subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and this is the Tecno Camon iClick. A quick unboxing and hands-on with the smartphone, and this phone is just launched for Rs 14,990. At least that's what the box package of this phone says. And this comes with a 20 megapixel front-facing camera, which might be the highlight feature of this phone. And there's also a 16 megapixel rear camera that comes with the quad flash, that's 4 flashlights. And here are the major specifications of the smartphone. Firstly, it comes with that 20MP front-facing camera with the dual LED flash, and there's a 6-inch HD Plus display with the 720 to 1440 pixels of screen resolution. There's 4GB of RAM, 64GB storage. There's also dual 4G VoLTE, 3750 mAh battery, and there's a fingerprint sensor as well as the Android 8.1 Oreo that runs in this smartphone. And this is the champagne gold color that is given here, and a few other specifications that are mentioned in this box package. Says that this comes with a 2 GHz octa-core chipset. And before we even open this device, one of the disappointments might be that this comes with that HD Plus display, and we're talking about a phone that is about 14,000 to 15,000 rupees, which competes directly with the Asus Zenfone Max Pro and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. So obviously the display might not be anywhere close to those. While though with the camera combination, the company has tried to do something good with that 20MP plus 16MP combination here. So let's unbox and check out what comes in the box package. So firstly, as soon as you open the box package, this is the phone. So this is the champagne gold variant of the Tecno Camon iClick. This is the 6-inch screen size, which is a good screen size, and with the 18:9 or the full view display, obviously it's not that big. But given the fact that it comes with the HD Plus resolution, that might be again the same disappointment here. And on the front, what you see here is that earpiece grill, front-facing camera, dual LED flash, and the set of sensors. Towards the bottom there's nothing, so the navigation buttons are a part of the interface. On the back is this 16 megapixel camera with the quad LED flash, which might be uncommon in most of the phones, but here the company has given that. And there's a fingerprint sensor on the back of the device. No, it's actually not metal, so another issue that we might see here is with that body itself, where it's not the metallic body. Now let's keep that aside and check out what all comes in the box. So this is the 12+1 warranty booklet, that's 12+1 months, and there's the quick start guide or the user manual for the users to start using the device and understand what all it comes packed with. And there's a dual SIM card slot along with the dedicated microSD card slot for the storage expansion. And here are a few things about the languages and input. A TPU case and a screen guard are included as well, and we aren't told about any screen protections. There's a SIM ejector pin. Apart from that, there's the pair of earphones that comes with the microphone as well, and the one-touch access. This is the micro USB cable and quite a large travel adapter, but it still comes with a 5-way two-way output at max. Now let's talk about the phone itself. Now coming back to the physical aspect of the phone, towards the bottom you see a micro USB port, the speaker grill, the microphone as well as the 3.5 headset jack. On the right are the buttons, the power button, the volume rocker buttons, as well as the SIM tray that would hold the 2 SIM card slots and a microSD card slot. And there's nothing on the left and on the top. So this is about the ports and buttons. Now let's start the phone quickly to check out what the interface is like. So this is the HiOS, the custom interface that the company calls it as HiOS. And let me now get into the settings and first check out what the version of Android is. There's this HiOS launcher as well to give you some of the shortcuts and information. So it's the HiOS 3.0 version, and these are a few important specifications again. It's good that it comes with a 3750 mAh battery, and it's Android 8.1.0 Oreo based on which this custom interface is running. So that's good that you're at least getting the latest Android OS here. A few micro intelligent features. And that's quick start and also the double click to broadcast. Music gestures are there, flip to mute, cover silence, and three finger screenshot is given as well. For the storage, about 14% is used. That means about 55 GB storage is available for the user out of 64. And for 4 GB of RAM, about 2.13 is available. About half of the RAM is being used by the interface itself. Getting into the cameras, which is one of the highlights here. This is the camera application where you see the different modes. The video, normal, beauty, and super pixel as well, that would make the picture larger by taking a couple of shots and then merging them together. For the different modes there, HDR as well, and the camera at best gives you a 16 megapixel shot. And that could be another disappointment here, because we always would be talking about what are the important aspects, but here it misses out of some of those things, because the phones like the Zenfone Max Pro come with a 4K video recording, and that is supported quite well there. Now going into the front facing camera, this is the front camera of this smartphone, and if you can notice, it does look good. It's not that bad. It also focuses on the face, recognizes the face and then focuses on it, and the exposure can be changed here. No, you cannot actually change it. You can just go tap on that area and take the picture. But there is a portrait mode that would help you take the background blur photos, where I don't see a lot of goodness with that bordering. Let me still take a selfie and try to see if the bordering is done quite well. In a way it's not that bad, but if you see, these are some of the areas where you can see that the bordering is not so well done. Still it's not such a bad photo quality here. You can change the things here. You can change a lot of things like adding the watermark, adjusting the different effects. There's also the beauty makeup. These are a few things that the software offers you here. Under the video, even the front facing camera can help record 1080p videos. And this is it about the cameras as well. So in a way, the 20 megapixel camera does might be offering a very good quality for the selfies. There's also HDR mode. There's that flashlight for both the front and rear facing cameras, but there's no 4K video recording, which should have been there. So this was the Tecno Camon iClick smartphone that is launched in India with a 20 megapixel front facing camera, 16MP rear camera, 4GB of RAM. And I hope you like this video. If you have any other questions about this smartphone, do let me know and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.